Fact of the day.
Fact of the day.
Hello, hi, and welcome to Fact of the Day with me, Mark Lotsu. Rats, turtles, and landmines. According to UNICEF, there's between 15,000 and 20,000 people a year are killed or maimed by stepping on landmines. In areas around Mozambique and Angola, there are loads and loads of unexploded landmines in the ground, and they've trained rats, so rats, very poor sense of sight but fantastic sense of smell, to detect TNT, the explosive compound found in a landmine. And it takes them about a year to train. And they're trained by, whenever they detect it, they just scratch the surface of the ground and then they're given a little bit of banana as a reward to say, well done for finding the landmine. And their final test is they're given areas, they can be given a couple of square 100 meters of area to scour. And then there's 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9 mines in that area. And they have to find every single one. If they miss one, boom, back to the drawing board. Because obviously, in terms of detecting landmines, you need to make sure you get all the landmines out of it. Just from using the rats alone, over 11,000 mines have been detected, which means that over 900,000 people have been able to get back to work on their productive land. Once the landmines are found by the rats, they're then exploded by humans. Stand back, clear, and they explode the landmines. Next, researchers from Arizona State University have produced these robotic turtles. So they're 3D printed cardboard turtles, folded origami style, put in a simple computer chip, and a few motors to operate the fins. So the fins kind of go ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. They move at about 5 centimeters a second, and they're put into swarms. There's about 100 of these turtle bots scouring across the sand. And depending on the type of sand, depends on the type of the movement that the turtle bots use. So the algorithms within the computer chip actually determine the best movement of the fin for that type of sand. Then when they find a mine, they tag it again for humans to then come and be able to destroy it. So it's currently being tested in the Arizona desert. These things are cheap. They cost about $80 each, and you go from start to finish in terms of production in 2 to 3 hours. It used to be you'd use sniffer dogs, and you know, problems with sniffer dogs is that they're quite heavy, so if there are any accidents then they could explode the mine. Rats don't explode mines, robotic turtles don't explode mines. Or you'd use bigger robots, and the bigger robots, again, really expensive, really costly, and to move around. So using robotic turtles, much more cheaper and potentially much more effective. So that is rats, turtles, and landmines. If you enjoyed this, please hit like, please hit subscribe. Thanks so much for your time. See you later. Love you, bye. Love you, bye. Love you, bye.